Our modern society's way of life really disconnects us from nature. For example, when we overconsume more than we need.
Lost in the endless scroll of Cyber Monday deals? We've all felt it, the overwhelming rush of the holiday season, the constant barrage of advertisements, the pressure to buy, and the stress of finding the perfect gift. This relentless.
The more we feel compelled to buy, the more stressed we are.
Overwhelmed and depleted. We want to help. Let's take a moment to rewild and prioritize our well-being. In our ReWilding and Vitalism eCourse, we explore the harmful effects of consumerism and the importance of reconnecting with nature. We'll guide you through
whether that's a plant that you're seeing near you, and the burning of,
and walk barefoot.
anxiety, improve your mental and physical health, cultivate a deeper connection to the natural world, and let consumerism consume you. Choose wellness, choose nature.